Groundbreaking ceremony for the Kenya. Karibu sana Mheshimiwa Rais.
Let us appreciate His Excellency as he unveils the commemorative flag.
His Excellency has declared
For Your Excellency.
Viongozi wenye amani katika roho zao waweze kudumisha.
Luigi Di Mario, Foreign Affairs.
Out of the 47 counties, it is only 15 that have some form of mental health management units, and most of these facilities are in need of significant infrastructural improvements to enable them to offer high-quality wellness services to our citizens. And it is for this reason that this facility is a most welcome development within our health sector. It shall, and in addressing the mental neurological conditions that have become more prevalent in Kenya, be of tremendous use. Indeed, available empirical evidence shows that 25% of our outpatients and 40% of inpatients in our public health facilities exhibit mental health conditions. Indeed, our country has recorded a rise in cases of suicide, anxiety disorders, increased drug and substance abuse, and this situation has been made worse by the inadequate numbers of mental health workers, a lack of efficient diagnosis and referral systems, and shortages of the tools and medicines required for proper treatment. To address this health challenge, we constituted a few years back a special task force on mental health, headed by my good friend Dr. Jenga, asante sana daktari, to study the status of mental health in the country and to recommend transformative solutions to reform our mental health systems. True to its mandate, the task force submitted on time its report in July of 2020.